can you actually take the TOEFL exam at home? Is that possible? Well, here is some news that is coming up, which is, because of the coronavirus, because of the COVID-19 and its spreads in China, TOEFL has recently came out with an announcement that how you can actually take the test from your home. But obviously there are some caveats. Please stay with me till the end of the video and we'll break this down. ETS is the body that actually conducts the TOEFL exam, right? Now, if you see what is happening because of this coronavirus, there are a lots of ETS testing centers that are actually closed down in China. When I say shut down, that obviously it's temporary. People are still assessing the situation and seeing how fast they could make that recovery. However, since a lots of people take TOEFL, it's also important that there is some way which, we need to keep this moving. So, what TOEFL came out with, what ETS came out with is an official announcement. So, I'm gonna read out the email or letter that TOEFL has launched. ETS and the TOEFL program are pleased to share that we are close to introducing a secure TOEFL testing solution that will allow students in some areas that has been affected by the coronavirus to take their test from home prior to test centers reopening for regular testing. We are targeting this solution to be introduced by the end of March in selected location outside mainland China. ETS is also working closely with the relevant government agencies in mainland China on ways to launch this solution there as soon as possible. We understand the pressure many institutions are under to come up with alternate ways of assessing English language proficiency during this time, even if they do not meet high standards for assessment, quality or security. This TOEFL testing solution from ETS will ensure you don't need to compromise your standards. It stills the high quality research based test and trust that meets ETS. High standards for validity, reliability and security. We appreciate your presence as we finalize this solution and will be in touch soon with further details. Our thoughts continue to be with all those affected by the coronavirus during this time. This is said by Shrikant Gopal, Executive Director of TOEFL program. What does this really mean? So, first of all, we know that they are coming up with the solution where you can actually sit at home. Obviously, there has to be some kind of validation, verification that the person who are taking this test is the person who is applying. So, there has to be some kind of validation of the person. Secondly, I think they will be talking to the government authority in China, and I think the priority would be to rule it out first in mainland China before considering India. But I would consider India to be very good second place for this to happen, because in terms of testing numbers, in terms of the whole fact that if the coronavirus having its impact in India, the negative impact in India. We are a country where I think TOEFL has the second most largest testing population. For a preparation prospects, it would really mean nothing. I would suggest don't think of way to exploit the system. I just want to let you know that such option that possibly be available to you in next few months time. we really don't know. We have to wait for ETS and TOEFL to give further updates to us on that. But I thought it's important that this is something they have already started. In case you want more updates on such news, if you are interested, please make sure you subscribe our channel. Also, if you have any queries regarding higher education, feel free to ask. Feel free to visit the website foreignadmits.com. Also, download the one-stop solution to connect to the mentors of your dream university. Yes, now available on Play Store. Go ahead and search with the name Foreign Admits and download that app. After registration, you will get free call from mentor. Okay, that's all. Please like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.